Have you ever noticed how people pick up accents, mirror body language, or even copy fashion trends without realizing it? This isn't random. It's the science of imitation, one of the most powerful tools of human connection. From the way we smile to the way we think, imitation shapes how we learn, bond, and survive in society. Welcome to Psych Academy, where we decode the human mind. Today we'll explore why we imitate others, the psychology behind it, and how understanding this behavior can make you more socially aware and emotionally intelligent. Section 1. What is imitation? Imitation is the act of replicating another person's behavior, expression, or mannerisms, consciously or unconsciously. Psychologists call this social mimicry. It's one of the earliest forms of learning. Even newborns imitate facial expressions. Research by developmental psychologist Andrew Meltzoff showed that babies as young as 2 weeks old mimic facial gestures like sticking out the tongue or opening the mouth. This shows imitation is deeply wired in the human brain. It's how we begin to understand others. Section 2. The neuroscience mirror neurons. At the heart of imitation lies a fascinating discovery: mirror neurons. These are special brain cells that activate both when you perform an action and when you observe someone else performing it. For example, if you see someone smile, the same neural circuits that make you smile activate in your brain. This creates an instant emotional bridge. It's how we understand others' intentions and feelings. Mirror neurons were first discovered in the 1990s by Italian neuroscientists Giacomo Rizzolatti and colleagues while studying monkeys. Later, similar systems were identified in humans. This discovery revealed that our brains are designed not just to see others, but to feel with them. This mechanism is the foundation of empathy, learning through observation and social bonding. Section 3. Why we imitate, the psychology. So why do we imitate others? Psychologists have identified several reasons. Connection. Imitation creates rapport. When you subtly mirror someone's gestures, tone, or expressions, it signals familiarity and trust. This is known as the chameleon effect. Learning. Much of human knowledge comes from imitation, from language to social norms. Psychologist Albert Bandura's social learning theory emphasizes that we learn behaviors by observing and copying others. Acceptance. We imitate to fit in. Humans are social beings. Mimicking the group helps us gain approval and avoid rejection. Empathy. By mirroring others' emotional expressions, we literally feel what they feel, deepening emotional understanding. Cultural transmission. Through imitation, societies pass down traditions, skills, and values across generations. Imitation isn't just copying, it's communication at a subconscious level. Section 4. When imitation goes too far. While imitation can build bonds, excessive or misplaced mimicry can lead to problems. Loss of individuality. Constantly copying others can suppress your authentic self. Peer pressure and conformity. We sometimes imitate harmful behaviors just to be accepted. Media influence. Social media trends can amplify imitation, making people replicate lifestyles or habits without critical thinking. Understanding imitation helps you recognize when it's beneficial and when it's controlling your behavior. Section 5. The positive power of imitation. When used consciously, imitation can enhance learning and relationships. Observe people you admire, mentors, leaders, or creators, and emulate their positive traits. Use mirroring subtly in communication to build trust and connection. Learn emotional intelligence by paying attention to others' nonverbal cues. Remember, imitation is not about becoming a copy. It's about learning through reflection and growing through connection. In conclusion, we imitate because we are wired to connect. It's the brain's way of saying, I see you, I understand you, and I want to belong. From mirror neurons to social learning, imitation is one of the most powerful forces shaping human behavior. So next time you catch yourself copying someone's tone, smile, or posture, remember, it's not a flaw. It's your brain practicing empathy and unity. If you enjoyed today's episode, hit like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness about the science of social behavior. Stay curious and keep learning with Psych Academy.